Hi, everybody. Today I wanted to talk about the emergency management side of Hurricane Iota. The storm is still over land. It's near the capital of Honduras right now, Tegucigalpa, and its maximum sustained winds are about 55. So it's still a tropical storm, and we don't know the scale of the disaster there yet. I've heard about 4 or 5 fatalities so far, but that number is likely to rise. And all the images that I've seen are very grainy and not very good. So we'll be getting more images in the future. Actually, I do have some good images in a Guardian article that I'll post under this video, so you can look at those. But my images are grainy. So anyway, the last time a major storm hit Nicaragua before this year with these two hurricanes was Hurricane Mitch in 1998 that caused 3,000 fatalities. And the preparations for Mitch were very poor, apparently. So this year, hopefully, the preparations for Iota have been a lot better. And in fact, I heard that the United Nations World Food Program was sending in resources to Nicaragua prior to this storm, and they had found that there were 80,000 families at risk in the country. So they were well prepared to send in food for the days after the storm. And the other thing that two other elements of preparation that I'd like to mention. The first is clean drinking water. In a poor country, access to drinking water is really critical after a storm, because contaminated drinking water can cause all sorts of illnesses, like things like cholera. And so the country has apparently been very well prepared to supply clean drinking water to communities hit by the storm. Um, so there's the food, there's the water, and of course, as we discussed yesterday, there's the warning system. So the country was much better prepared warning wise for this storm than they were in 1998. So we don't expect the scale to be anything like Hurricane Mitch. But one of the issues, as this photograph shows here, is that many of the roads and bridges were damaged by Hurricane Ada 2 weeks ago. So that's one of the things that we have to deal with in Nicaragua with this storm. And so here are just a few small images here that you can't really see very well. But I will post this Guardian article, and we'll be learning a lot more in coming days.